fucking psychotic. The other day I was driving in my truck and it was raining really hard. You guys know it rain here. Anyway, imagine rain. It was raining really hard and you sang it. I started singing that song, it's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. He went to bed and he bumped his head. And he couldn't get up in the morning. That's the darkest thing I've ever heard in my life. How is that a song? How did that come to be? Like, what happened in here? I don't know. I heard Grandpa in here sleeping and he's snoring real loud. And then there was a thud. And I didn't hear him snoring anymore. I came in and tried to revive him, but he's not responding. Hey, before you call the paramedic, can you grab me my guitar? I thought of an idea for a song that kids can sing on a rainy day. What's it about? Blunt force trauma. You're gonna want it. Trust me, it's gonna be huge.